Make this 4-ingredient Dollar Tree dump cake with me, and it's cherry lemon. 4 ingredients. Let's get started. I'm making this in a 1.5 quart slow cooker. This is for a small one. If you do the double the ingredients, okay? The first thing we're gonna do is add the cherry filling. Add the whole can of cherry, just like that. This step is optional, but I like to add a little bit of vanilla, just the cap. Now on this step, if you would like it a little more sweet, I would add a little bit of sugar, but I like my cobbler not as sweet as everybody else, so I don't add sugar at all. So it's optional to add sugar or brown sugar at this step. Let's keep going. Time to add on top. This is the cake mix that I use, traditional lemon, Pillsbury, just as easy. Now let's throw it in. I like to fill it up, not quite to the top, but about 75% there. Do not mix this. I said it once, I'll say it again. Do not mix this at any time. It is a dump cake. Let's go. Next, we're gonna add about a half a stick of butter to this. If you're using a large one, you want a whole butter. Now we're just gonna add about 60% of that stick of butter. Again, do not mix. Do not mix. Do not mix. Now we just put the top on it and let's get to cooking. I'm gonna put it on high. Let's give it a little check and see. Oh, that's coming along great. Love that, darling. Looking good. If you could smell what's going on in here, smells great. Yum.